Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to write and explain step by step how to add the squares of the binomials k squared n squared plus 11p squared and 12p squared plus k squared n squared. First, I'm going to expand each binomial by applying the formula for binomial square. When I do that, this equals to k squared n squared in parentheses squared plus 2 times k squared n squared multiplied by 11p squared plus 11p squared in parentheses squared plus 12p squared in parentheses to the power of 2 plus 2 times 12p squared multiplied by k squared n squared plus k squared n squared in parentheses to the power of 2. Next, I need to apply the rule of exponents for power of a product with two factors. This way I get k squared in parentheses to the power of 2 n squared in parentheses to the power of 2 plus, for this next term I need to multiply the numerical parts, 2 and 11. This way I get 22 k squared n squared p squared plus 11 squared p squared in parentheses to the power of 2 plus 12 squared p squared in parentheses to the power of 2 plus, again for this next term I need to multiply the numerical parts. 2 times 12 is 24 p squared k squared n squared plus k squared in parentheses squared multiplied by n squared to the power of 2. Next, I need to apply the rule of exponents for power of a power. As a result, this equals to k to the 4th power multiplied by n to the 4th power plus, I just need to rewrite the next term, 22k squared n squared p squared plus 11 squared is 121 and p squared to the power of 2 is p to the power of 4 plus 12 squared is 144, then p squared again is p to the 4th power plus, I just need to again rewrite the next term and I'll put it in a standard form where the variables are listed in alphabetical order. So this equals to 24k squared n squared p squared plus k squared to the power of 2 equals to k to the 4th and then n to the 4th power. As a last step, I need to add all like terms. Like are similar terms, are terms that have the same literal parts. So I can add k to the 4th power n to the 4th power with k to the 4th and n to the 4th power. I can also add 22k squared n squared p squared with 24k squared n squared p squared. And then 121 p to the 4th plus 144 p to the 4th. So this equals to 2k to the 4th n to the 4th plus 22 and 24 is 46 k squared n squared p squared plus 121 and 144 equals to 265 p to the fourth power. This polynomial cannot be simplified further and is the final answer for this exercise. Thank you for watching and learning. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on the videos displayed on the screen or subscribe to my channel to see more detailed math solutions.